Hi guys, it's month 11 of my experiment seeing if I can beat the stock market using the magic formula investing strategy. Every single month I'm using £100 of my own money and buying 2 new stocks that the magic formula screener throws out for me. I'm tracking the performance of all the stocks that I've purchased using the screener and sharing them with you here on my YouTube channel. Just before we get into today's video, my viewer question for you this week is what have you invested in the last 7 days? Leave your comments below. So for any of you that haven't seen my magic formula investing videos before, I'm going to link to the first one that I ever made in the top corner of this video. The reason being is that video explained all of the rules that I'm following. I found out about the magic formula by reading a book called The Little Book That Still Beats the Market by Greenblatt. I'll put a link to that in the description below. Basically, Greenblatt claims that he's created a screener that can find stocks that are undervalued. Each month, I'm using the screener and choosing 2 stocks off the list. So let's not waste any more time and head over onto the laptop. So we are now on the website magicformulainvesting.com. Now this is where you can find the stock screener that Greenblatt and his team created. This is the tool he recommends to use in his book that I mentioned. So we need to head over onto the stock screener and set the minimum market cap to 300 million. Video 1 will explain why. We're simply going to hit get stocks. This will now throw out some stocks that it deems are undervalued according to the metrics it's looking at. This month I've decided to purchase Altria Group, ticker symbol MO, and OVID therapeutics, ticker symbol OVID. So that is all we need to do on this screener. We're now going to jump onto my phone, onto Trading 212 and purchase these 2 new stocks. A quick plug, Trading 212 isn't accepting new customers right now, but if you're interested in buying some stocks, use my free trade referral link and you'll get a free stock worth up to £200. This week I received another free share. It was only worth £7.50, but £7.50 of free money. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so I am now on Trading 212. You can see that I've got £100 of free funds ready to invest. So we're simply going to go over to the search bar and find the first stock that we're investing in, which was Altria Group. So we're going to hit buy. We're going to make sure value is selected, and that is because we want to invest exactly £50. That is going to give us roughly 1.4 shares, so we can hit review order, make sure we're happy, and hit send buy order. There we go, order executed. So next up, we're going to find the other stock, which was OVID Therapeutics. There they are. So again, we're going to hit buy. We're going to make sure that value is selected so we can invest exactly £50, which on this stock is going to buy us 15.65 shares. Again, hit review order, make sure we're happy with everything and send the buy order. There we go, order executed. So that is this month's 2 new stocks purchased. Next month I'll be updating how they perform, but let's now see how the previous 10 months of stocks that this very screener has thrown out are performing. So the very first stock that I ever purchased was Biogen. From the £50 that I invested, currently it's worth £66.41, which is a change of 32.82%. The second stock of month 1 was Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Again, I invested £50, which is currently worth £55.05. That is a change of 10.1%. The first stock I purchased in month 2 was Discovery. £50 is currently worth £60.73. These guys have actually dropped quite a bit recently, but I'm still currently up 21.46%. Stock 2 of month 2 was Hewlett Packard. £50 is currently worth £71.74. I have received a dividend on this one of 82p, so including the dividend return, I'm up 45.12%. Stock 1 of month 3 was Cisco Systems. £50 is currently worth £64.28. Again, I have received a dividend that is of 74p, and again, because it wasn't over the pound for the minimum investment, that wasn't reinvested. So including that dividend, I'm up 30.04% overall. Stock 2 of month 3 was Weight Watchers. £50 is currently worth £76.49, so that is a fantastic gain of 52.98% currently. Stock 1 of month 4 was Buckle. £50 is currently worth £75.21. I've received multiple dividends on this one. £3.41 of it was received at a time where I could reinvest it, and 55p of it was received. I wasn't able to reinvest that, but including all the dividends, I'm up in total 51.52%. Stock 2 of month 4 was renewable energy. £50 is currently worth £57.94. That means currently I'm up 15.88%. Stock 1 of month 5 was Fox. £50 is currently worth £58.35. Again, I've received a dividend, this time of 31p, so including the dividend, I'm up 17.32%. Stock 2 of month 5 was Viacom. £50 is currently worth £53.84. A dividend of 55p has been received, which means in total I'm up 8.78%. Stock 1 of month 6 was Best Buy. £50 is currently worth £53.15. A dividend of 29p has been received, which means overall I'm up 6.88%. Stock 2 of month 6 was Turtle Beach. £50 is currently worth a fantastic £78.76, which means I'm up 57.52% currently. Stock 1 of month 7 was Barrett Business Services. £50 is currently worth £55.46. A dividend of 38p has been received, which means overall that's up 11.68%. Stock 2 of month 7 is the first stock in the red, and it is Endo International. £50 is currently worth £33.50, which means overall I am down 33% on that stock. Stock 1 of month 8 was H&R Block. £50 is currently worth £64.09. I have received a dividend of 56p, which means including the dividend I'm up 29.3%. Stock 2 of month 8 was Omnicom. £50 is currently worth £57.39. I have received a dividend of 42p, which means including the dividend I'm up 15.62%. Stock 1 of month 9 was Tupperware Brands. £50 is currently worth £44.64, so it's my second stock down in the red. I'm down 10.72% overall on this stock. Stock 2 of month 9 was Sage Therapeutics. £50 is currently worth £48.53, which means I'm down overall for this stock by 2.94%. So the first stock from last month's update was Academy Sports. £50 has already become £57.01, which means I'm already up 14.02%. And then the second stock of last month's update was Nautilus Group. £50 is currently down to £46.12, which means that one is down 7.76% overall. So let's now look at the total amounts that I've made since starting this portfolio. So of course, ignoring today's 2 new stocks, I was on month 10, so I had invested £1,000. My £1,000 is now worth £1,183.31. That gives me an overall change of 18.33% in the green, which is brilliant. So the very final thing for me to do was to add this month's 2 new purchases onto this other spreadsheet that I've made. You can see I've already added them down the bottom here. This keeps track of the stocks I've purchased, how much I purchased them for, and eventually I'll be recording the price I sell for and whether or not I make a profit or loss. Part of the magic formula investing strategy is you're supposed to sell after a year unless the stocks still appear on the screen as good value stock to purchase. You can then choose to keep them if you wish. Leave a comment below with which of today's 2 new stocks will be performing best by next month's update. We will see which one of you is correct. Apart from that, I hope to see you on another video very soon. Take care, guys.